We're here. We're on the way to Get It Cracking Compact International. This is about celebrating and launching the Make It in Illinois campaign. We're ready to show off how people can make it in Illinois, what we're making in Illinois, how you can connect and make it in Illinois yourself. We're a manufacturer. We want you here. If you're trying to get into manufacturing, we want you here. If you're already a CNC machinist, a welder, a fabricator, any of those jobs that are manufacturing aligned, come on down to the great state of Illinois. We'll be there all day with a team from Illinois Manufacturers Association, the team from Make It in Illinois, IMEC, and everybody else. Come see us. It's the MFG. Let's get it. Make it MFG here, and I'm at Compact International here in Carbondale, Illinois. And you might see me all over the United States, but today we about to make it in Illinois. We're about to launch this event, and you're gonna see this all over the internet, all over the digital webs, all over the state of Illinois, because we want you to be able to make it in Illinois as well. We are just getting started. This thing is gonna be packed out. We're gonna be checking out manufacturing. We're gonna be checking out people that make it in Illinois, and we're gonna be checking out the people who are making it and who have made it in Illinois, and that could be you one day as well. So stay tuned. We here, baby. Let's go. Make It in Illinois, Southern Illinois launch event right now. Man, it's crazy. We've got all of these people that are here making it in Illinois. They made it in Illinois, but this is just a taste. It's just the tip of the iceberg. We're about to sign the Makers on the Move bus. This thing is going all around Illinois. You'll see it in a city, in a college, at a technical training center, at a manufacturing plant near you. Make sure you pop up on it. Ask the great people of IMEC and IMA what they've got going on, what we've got this bus for, because you'll be surprised. But we're about to sign this bus. I'm about to tag it up MFG style, you know what I'm saying? Everybody slide in, bring it with it, come on. See, this is why automation matters, right? This process right here would take 8 to 10 people to be able to do. Now we're doing it all at once with 2 to 3 people, and they're getting paid what 8 people would get paid to do it. So we're talking about better processes, being more competitive, being able to compete with the other products across seas, and getting paid while you do it. You can't beat this. This is made in Illinois. We at Compact, make it in Illinois. This could be you. You didn't even know that these were made right here in your state. This is the type of innovation, this is the type of thing that you could be doing. Plastic, metals, foreign metals, floating cars, they're all right here in Illinois, waiting to be made by you. Or they're in your head and you gotta come to Illinois to get them out of your head and get them made. This is where it happens. Make it in Illinois, Titan Tote, Compact. Thanks for having us. Thanks for the launch event. It's been amazing. I'm about to take these home and go fill some stuff up, bruh. See you later.